Have you ever heard of golden milk? This mixture of spices and herbs with coconut oil and coconut milk is a tasty drink that is a rich source of nutrients and offers a myriad of health benefits. You can drink it during the entire day, but most people drink it in the morning, on an empty stomach, and before going to bed. This drink is in fact called haldi ka doodh, which translates to turmeric milk. It is believed to be a popular recipe from Ayurveda. This ancient healing system from India uses this drink as a natural remedy in order to detoxify the body, regulate blood sugar, treat inflammation, and much more. This magical, creamy drink offers numerous benefits, and we will reveal the method of its preparation and how to use it. It is actually a mixture of coconut milk, coconut oil, ginger root, turmeric, and black pepper. You can sweeten it with honey. Turmeric is the most potent ingredient, which has numerous medicinal properties and offers various health advantages. The drink is traditionally made as milk and heated up, but it can also be added to meals, pastes, teas, and soups. To explain its numerous benefits, we should initially look through the properties of its ingredients. First of all, the main ingredient, turmeric, is a potent natural remedy in the treatment of muscle and joint pain, liver disease, skin issues, respiratory illnesses, gastrointestinal problems, and arthritis. It also supports overall health, and the strong anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties treat the inflammation in the case of chronic and autoimmune diseases. Ginger has powerful anti-inflammatory properties, soothes menstrual pain, regulates blood sugar, fights nausea, helps digestion, and eases cold symptoms. Coconut milk is high in vitamin B, magnesium, electrolytes, and fatty acids which regulate blood sugar, support joint pain, and prevent weight gain. Coconut oil, on the other hand, effectively heals wounds, boosts immunity, helps digestion, helps weight loss, moisturizes the skin, and prevents liver and kidney disease. Black pepper helps the absorption of turmeric, but it also fights free radicals, treats cold symptoms, helps digestion, and fights anemia. Honey has powerful antibacterial properties, so it relieves common colds and allergies, relaxes the body, and helps with sleep. Hence, this turmeric milk is simply a natural health bomb. Golden milk recipe. 1 teaspoon turmeric. A small piece of fresh ginger root, peeled and minced. 1 tablespoon coconut oil. Pinch of black pepper. 2 cups of coconut milk. 1 teaspoon honey, optional. Half a teaspoon of cinnamon, optional. You can also use other types of milk, but avoid dairy, as it might cause various health issues, like lactose intolerance, eczema, allergies, acne, hives, breathing issues, and irritable bowel syndrome. Instructions. In a saucepan, mix all the ingredients, and heat up the mixture for 5 minutes. That's all. You can drink it right away. Studies have also confirmed that it treats allergies and intolerances, prevents degenerative cognitive illnesses like Alzheimer's and dementia, improves and stabilizes blood sugar, treats depression, detoxifies the liver from environmental toxins by neutralizing free radicals, and even treats cancer.